Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix transaction errors in your Phantom wallet. If you ever tried to send or swap crypto in Phantom wallet and got an error, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll walk you through the possible reason and how to fix them step by step. Now from your app, select this button at the middle and then click the icon at the top right corner. When trading or decentralized exchanges like Radium or Serum, price fluctuations happens fast due to market volatility. If the price changes beyond your set tolerance before the transactions is confirmed, it may fail. So increasing the slippage tolerance allows the transaction to go through despite minor price variation. Now, another thing that you can do if a provider isn't working, you can switch to another one. Just go to the bottom right, click on the Explore option or icon, and search for a different provider in the search bar. Try selecting a new one and see if it works. And then that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.